Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the provision of general reserve in PL appropriation account. First, a quick revision. What is general reserve? We have already done in class 11, but today I'll just give a quick revision. General reserve is something which a little amount of money which is kept aside from net profit. थोड़ा सा net profit निकाल के general reserve में we transfer it so that in case of future emergency that money can be used. जैसे you must have seen in your houses also, मम्मी को देखा होगा कि she saves little amount of money every month so that if he requires it in any emergency or any future evidences or anything, they use that money. In the same way, in the firm also, certain amount of money from net profit is saved in general reserve. So that now, what is the treatment of general reserve in profit and loss appropriation account? We will do with the help of this example. Now, please see the simple question just to make you understand. A and B are equal partners. A's capital is 2 lakh, B's capital is 1 lakh. A's salary is 2000 per month. 10% of the net profit will be transferred to general reserve. Interest on drawings are given and net profit is given. So simply first, as previously, we will copy all what is required in the question. Interest on capital of A and B to A's salary by net profit and by interest on drawings, A and B. Now, one thing I'll tell you, what does general reserve does? General reserve reduces net profit. General reserve reduces net profit. It means it is a kind of loss. Loss means it reduces net profit. Net profit is something which is credited. So what will happen to general reserve? Because general reserve will reduce the profit. Profit when increase goes credit and profit when decrease goes debit. So where will general reserve go? General reserve will go to the debit side of PL appropriation account. Please everyone understood? Once again I am telling you कि general reserve is debited. Why? Because it reduces profit. Profit is always credited. Then when it is reduced, it will go to the debit side. So now what will we write? We will write it here to general reserve. Please to understand the concept is very important कि why it is written on the debit side. It is not the expenses neither loss. What it is something which reduces profit. Profit increased credit, profit decreased debit. Now what will we write here? Interest on capital is 10%. We have not written the rate. For example, if the rate of interest is 10%, the rate of interest is 10%. So what is A's interest on capital? 2000. B's interest on capital will be 1000 or 20,000, sorry, and it will be 10,000. The total will be 30,000. Salary is 2000 per month. So for the whole year it will be 2000 into 12 is 24,000. Yeah. Net profit, what is it is given? It is given 1,50,000 in the question. Interest on drawing is also given as 400 and 600. That will be 1,000 interest on drawing for both A and B. Now, what it is written? 10% of the net profit will be transferred to general reserve. So, what is the net profit? 1,50,000 is the net profit. Net profit ka 10% is transferred to general reserve. So how much will be transferred to general reserve? 15,000 will be transferred to general reserve. Now what will we do again? Please add all the debit sides and the credit side and find the difference. So when we will add the debit, what are we going to get? We are going to get 69,000 rupees, and here it will be 1,51,000. So please subtract 1,51,000 में से 69, आपको क्या मिलेगा? 82,000. 82,000 rupees. That 82,000 will be transferred to partners capital account. So 82,000 will be transferred to partners account A and B. Now it is written equal partner. If for instance nothing is written, no ratio is given, then what we are going to do? Then I have told in the first lecture also that if nothing is given, then what is the treatment? We will divide the profit equally. Please remember, if nothing, no ratio is given, in which ratio A and B is going to distribute the profit, then it will be distributed equally. Matlab 41,000 goes for A and 41,000 goes for B. Then we'll take out the total for it. Both should come in the same line. 1,51,000. Here also 1,51,000. So this is the treatment of general reserve. Again, a quick revision. General reserve, we transfer it from net profit for future contingencies, for the future requirements in the business, and it is written on the debit side. Why? Because it reduces the profit. Profit goes to the credit side. If it is getting reduced, it will go to the debit side. So however we take out, is written 10% of net profit. So 1,50,000 ka 10%, that is 15,000. Then after that we are going to take out the profit, which will be distributed among partners. In my next lecture, I will tell you the journal entries regarding to profit and loss of appropriation account. So please brush up your basics so that you can easily understand how to make the journal entries with the help of PL appropriation account. Thank you for now.